Hello, this is Scott with the City of Las Vegas, and today I'm going to talk to you about the online planning pre-application form. First, what you want to do is you want to go to the City of Las Vegas website. Then you'll go ahead and click on where it says Apply For, and then Planning Applications. When you do that, it'll bring you to this page here, and then you'll go ahead and click on where it says Planning Pre-Application Conference Request Form. When you click on that link, it brings you to this page here, and there's a lot of information here. It talks to you about what kind of items you may need to upload later. It'll also talk about the file standards for the items that you'll need to upload later, as well as below that where you could actually type in a parcel number to make sure that your parcel is within the city limits. If you do not have this box here, you may need to go up to the very top of your browser where it says Tools and then Compatibility View Settings. You'll want to make sure that where it says Display Internet Sites and Compatibility View is unchecked. And then once you do that, you may need to refresh your browser, and then you'll see this box right here. As we scroll down, you'll see some more information. You'll see where it says Complete the Pre-Application Conference Request Form, and right above that it says Applicant User Guide. Now at the very bottom it says if you wish to submit your pre-application conference request form in person or through fax, you can click here. And what you'll want to do is you'll definitely want to fill this out online unless it is definitely not possible for you. So here we'll go ahead and click on the pre-application conference request form. And it'll open up the form for us. I already have a form that is pre-filled out so that I can discuss the different items that are here. Right at the very top, you'll see it says CLVEPlan User Guide. This is a PDF that will actually show you in detail all the things that you'll need to do going from beginning to middle to end to fill everything out. You also have your naming standards for drawings and documents. Later you'll receive an email that will have you upload all of your items. First, as we go down, we'll see that we're going to have to insert our first name and our last name. Everything that's in a star over here to the left, we have to fill out. If you want to fill in your address and city and state, you could do that, but you don't need to. Then you have the star over here where it actually asks you for your phone number, and then your email address. This is the most important piece on this form here, because this is where you'll get the email that will then tell you that you will give you login and will tell you that you need to upload your documents. As we scroll down, you'll see that you're going to need to fill in your project address, your assessor's parcel number, or if you do not have the parcel number, you'll have to type in NA. You have to put something there. So either the parcel number, or if you do not have that at the time, you'll type in NA. Right below that, you'll type in the project name and then a brief description. As you go down even further, you'll see some more items that you may need to fill in. A general plan designation, a zoning district. As you click the drop down, you'll see different items are there. If it's applicable, you'll go ahead and fill that in. If not, you'll keep scrolling down. And then where it says Date 1 and Date 2, that would be your preferred pre-application conference dates. And you'll go ahead and fill that in. This is a free-form text field, so you can fill it in however you want to. If you wanted to put times and things in there, you could. Right below that, it says Requested Land Use Applications. You would go ahead and select whatever is applicable to you. If nothing is applicable or you're not sure, go ahead and leave that blank. And then towards the bottom, you'll go ahead and click on the checkbox that says I accept. That says that I certify that I am the applicant and that the information submitted with this application is true and accurate, and so on. As you scroll down, you'll go ahead and click on Submit Conference Request. Once you do that, you'll actually receive this page right here, which once again gives you the user guide if you wanted to click on that, as well as the naming standards. It will tell you thank you for your submittal. You'll receive an email that will then allow you to be able to log in to CLVEPlans to upload these different items. And with that, that concludes this first video in the online planning pre-application form. Thank you.